Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the lead generator on our brand new Gourmet Food Gifts website template. This template was built to go along with the webinar that we hosted with Maple Ridge Farms, and it has all of the things that Maple Ridge talked about, and it's loaded with all of their great products. So in order to set this site up, you're going to log into your Distributor Central account, and you're going to go to Websites, Hosting Manager. You're going to click Add New Website. You're going to see that the Food Gift Shop is the first template listed, so you'll click Use this template. You give it a site name. And then you select your logo. I'm just going to pull a random logo that I have. Click just one more step. It's going to show you your site name, your site folder, and then your logo. You're going to click Create My Website. And then now we want to click Customize Your Site. And we have already created the form, and we've uploaded a holiday gift guide in here. Everything's already linked, but there are a few steps that you need to do to make sure that this form, first of all, goes to the email that you want it to go to whenever your customer would fill it out or the lead would fill it out. And then there's also some customization that needs to be done in order for your company information to be sent to them in the email they get to download that guide. So we're going to scroll down here to the form that we have. If you wanted to change this to say something else, you can do that. If you hover over any part of the editor, you hover over, you're going to see this box. You double click it, and it's going to give you the ability to edit whatever's available to edit for whatever block type this is. But I'm just going to show you real quick how to fix this, what you need to do to make sure that it goes to the right email and they get an email with your company information on it. So you're going to hover over the form and you double click it. Email notification, this is where you want us to pick who you want. Everybody should have a main contact. If you wanted it to go to somebody different than who's set up as your main contact, you set that up in your account contacts within your Distributor Central account. And if anybody needs help doing that, we have a help document on the different contact types and setting up contacts for your account at help.distributorcentral.com. So I've picked who I want the email to go to. This is the reply message. This is what they're going to get after they submit their information. It's going to come to their email. And you'll see this is HTML just for the formatting of the email. So you want to make sure if you're changing anything that you stay within the HTML brackets. So if you wanted to change what it says for the title, you can do that. And I'll also show you when we get done with this, I'll show you how, if you wanted to change it to maybe a different guide or how you have your own material that you want to upload here, I'll show you how to change that lead generation material. So we're going to keep going down here. This is telling them the link to the document, that PDF gift guide that we've already uploaded in here. But then you'll want to scroll down here and change out your name, your company, your phone, your email or with whatever information you want to give them for your contact info. That will be, this serves as your signature in the email that they get. I'm not going to put my phone. I'm just going to put my email though. And then this is the message that they see as soon as they submit the form. It shows up down here in this little box with where they filled that form out. So you can change any of that information as well. Just make sure you do not get rid of any of those brackets or the formatting is going to get messed up. And here you can put your company name in there. You could delete that, and it obviously they're on your website, so you wouldn't have to put that if you want. You could just delete it out of there. You can change any of this information up that's going to show up to however you would like. If you wanted to collect other information, maybe you want their company name, that's going to just add to the information they have to fill out. We like to keep it short and sweet because normally if people have to give you more information, they're a little more reserved of actually filling out the form. So we're just going to leave it first name, last name, email. Then after that, it gives me that information and I can reach out to them personally to try to get additional information and help make a sale. So we're going to click done. And so now we've got that set up so that when your customers or somebody comes here and they fill this out, they're going to get an email to download the holiday gift guide. And then you're going to get an email to let you know that somebody filled that out, and it's going to tell you their name and their email. This also creates a record inside your Distributor Central account. So if you go back into your account, under this Orders tab, it's going to show up under Customer Requests. So customer requests and feedback is going to show all of the forms that you might have on your website. When a customer goes and fills them out, those will show up here. So if they go to your contact page or if they fill out the lead generation form, all of those records will show up on this page. And the way that you will know that it's from the lead generator is because it's only going to give you their name and their email. Any contact form on your site, it's going to have the phone number, the company name, and all the other information that you ask of them. So now we're going to go back to the editor and show you how to change out the lead generation form or the lead generation guide. If you have some content that you've created on your own, you can switch that out. You don't have to stick with the holiday gift guide that we had provided. You're going to go to Library, Documents. You'll click Upload Documents, select Files. Maple Ridge also has a work from home gift guide, so I'm going to use that in this example. And this guide is actually already on the template as a flip book on the homepage. But just for purposes of showing you how to switch that out, I'm going to use that as my example. Click Open. And then you'll click Done. You'll see it show up here. So you'll click Edit next to that one. And under Sharing URLs, you're going to click Copy to Clipboard. And you hit Done. Now you're going to go back to that form and you're going to double click on there. And then now you'll want to change this information. So work from home. And now in between the quote marks, I'm going to select the current link that's there. And I'm going to paste in that new link that I copied. I'm going to double check to make sure all of this information matches up with my new information. So I'm going to go check this. I need to change holiday to work from home. And then I click done. And then now I'm going to double click on this headline and I'm going to change that one. And then I'm going to click save. And now they will get the other guide. So that's just the quick video that I wanted to create today, just to show you how that lead generation form works. If there's anything else, or if you have trouble or need additional help, just email info@distributorcentral.com, or you can always go to help.distributorcentral.com and just kind of type in what it is you're working with, and it'll automatically populate the documents that we have.